Question number 1. Acadians are descendants of A. French colonists who settled in the maritime provinces in 1604. B. First Nations who settled in the maritime provinces in 1604. C. French colonists who settled in the Prairie provinces in 1604. D. Inuit who settled in Yukon in 1604. Correct answer is A. French colonists who settled in the maritime provinces in 1604. Question number 2. After the defeat of the French in Canada, what were the French-speaking Catholic people known as? A. Canadians. B. Francois. C. Quebecers. D. Acadians. Correct answer is A. Canadians. Question number 3. After World War I, the British Empire evolved into a free association of states known as A. British Union of Nations. B. British Commonwealth of Nations. C. British Dominion of Nations. D. The British League. Correct answer is B. British Commonwealth of Nations. Anglophones are A. French-speaking people. B. English-speaking immigrants. C. People who speak English as a first language. D. People who speak languages other than English. Correct answer is C. People who speak English as a first language. Question number 5. Approximately how many Canadian soldiers served in Second World War? A. 100,000. B. 500,000. C. 800,000. D. 1 million. Correct answer is D. 1 million. Question number 6. Britain advocated interning Austro-Hungarian subjects as enemy aliens from during World War I. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is B. False. Question number 7. British Columbia is known as Canada's Pacific Gateway because A. Because it is on the Pacific coast of Canada. B. Billions of dollars in products are shipped to and from Asia. C. Because most of its residents work in the fishing industry on the Pacific Ocean. D. Because there are many beaches along its Pacific coast. Correct answer is B. Billions of dollars in products are shipped to and from Asia. Question number 8. By the end of the Second World War, Canada had the largest navy in the world. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is B. False. Question number 9. Canada contributed more to the Allied air effort than any other Commonwealth country. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Question number 10. Canada Day is on A. The first day of July. B. First Monday of July. C. The second Monday of July. D. The third Monday of July. Correct answer is A. The first day of July. Question 11. Canada got its name from word Kannada, which means A. Family. B. Country. C. Home. D. Village. Correct answer is D. Village. Question number 12. Chief Tecumseh aided British soldiers in the War of 1812. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Question number 13. Due to the effort of which Canadian, Quebec granted women the right to vote in 1940? A. Kathleen Wynne. B. Agnes MacPhail. C. Rachel Notley. D. Theresa Casgrain. Correct answer is D. Theresa Casgrain. Question number 14. How many Canadian soldiers served in World War I? A. About 100,000. B. More than 300,000. C. More than 400,000. D. More than 600,000. Correct answer is D. More than 600,000. Question number 15. In 1792, some black Nova Scotians left Canada to establish the city of Freetown in what country? A. Sierra Leone. B. Somalia. C. Ivory Coast. D. South Africa. Correct answer is A. Sierra Leone. Question number 16. In 1814, who led an expedition from Nova Scotia that burned down the White House and other public buildings in Washington, D.C.? A. Chief Tecumseh. B. Robert Ross. C. Sir Isaac Brooke. D. Charles de Salaberry. Correct answer is B. Robert Ross. Question number 17. In the early days, what form of transportation did Aboriginal peoples and fur traders use? A. Railway. B. Highway. C. Air. D. Waterways. Correct answer is D. Waterways. Question number 18. In what parts of Canada did the Aboriginal peoples first settle? A. The North and the Great Lakes regions. B. The Great Lake regions and the South. C. All regions. D. The prairies and the South. Correct answer is C. All regions. Question number 19. Is current Canada-US border outcome of Second World War? A. True. B. False. Correct answer is B. False. Question number 20. Lord Durham recommended that Upper and Lower Canada should remain separate. A. True. B. False. Correct answer is B. False. Question number 21. Métis is the descendant of A. First Nations men and Acadians women. B. French or English women and First Nations men. C. First Nations women and French or English traders. D. Acadians men and French women. Correct answer is C. First Nations women and French or English traders. Question number 22. Nunavut became a territory. A. March 5th, 1999. B. April 1st, 1999. C. May 2nd, 1999. D. November 15th, 1999. Correct answer is B. April 1st, 1999. Question number 23. RCMP stands for A. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police. B. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police. C. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police. D. The Royal Central Mounted Police. Correct answer is B. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police. Question number 24. Responsibilities of the provincial government include A. Health and communication. B. Health and education. C. Health and provincial defense. D. Health and recycling. Correct answer is B. Health and education. Question number 25. The Aboriginal peoples of Canada are A. The first inhabitants of Canada. B. People born in Canada. C. French explorers. D. Immigrants from Australia. The correct answer is A. The first inhabitants of Canada. Question number 26. The Battle of Vimy Ridge is important to Canadians because A. It was the last battle of Second World War. B. It was the last battle of First World War. C. It was the first victory of the First World War. D. It symbolized Canada as a nation. The correct answer is D. It symbolized Canada as a nation. Question number 27. The early explorers first came to Atlantic Canada because they wanted to A. Look for new land. B. Settle there and attract more settlers. C. Fish and trade with First Nations people. D. Look for gold. Correct answer is C. Fish and trade with First Nations people. Question number 28. The first representative assembly was elected in what city in 1758? A. Quebec City. B. Halifax. C. Toronto. D. Fredericton. Correct answer is B. Halifax. Question number 29. The founding peoples of Canada are A. Aboriginal French British. B. French British. C. Aboriginal Chinese. D. German French British. Correct answer is A. Aboriginal French British. Question number 30. The Hudson's Bay Company adopted what animal as its symbol? A. Polar bear. B. Beaver, C. Canada goose, D. Horse. Correct answer is B. Beaver. Question number 31. The Hudson Bay Company controlled the northern lands of Canada for how many years? A. 100, B. 200, C. 300, D. 400. Correct answer is B. 200. Question number 32. The representatives of the provinces who worked together to establish a new country are known as Fathers of Confederation. A. True, B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Question number 33. The skilled and courageous men who traveled by canoe were called what? A. Voyagers and explorers, B. Pioneers, C. Karudaba and explorers, D. Voyagers and Karudaba. Correct answer is D. Voyagers and Karudaba. Question number 34. The state of World War II and public opinion in BC led to the forcible relocation of Canadians of what ethnic origin? A. German, B. Italian, C. Chinese, D. Japanese. Correct answer is D. Japanese. Question number 35. The United Empire Loyalists were A. The First Nations and the Inuits, B. French and British settlers, C. Settlers from the United States at the time of American Revolution, D. The First Nations. Correct answer is C. Settlers from the United States at the time of American Revolution. Question number 36. To make immigration to Western Canada easier, the government A. Build the Trans-Canada Highway, B. Build the Canadian Pacific Railway, C. Lowered the requirement for immigration to Western Canada, D. Completed the St. Lawrence Waterway. Correct answer is B. Build the Canadian Pacific Railway. Question number 37. What Aboriginal tribe originally resided in the Great Lakes region? A. Saix, B. Huron-Wendat, C. Cree, D. Dene. Correct answer is B. Huron-Wendat. Question number 38. What act divided the province of Quebec into Upper Canada and Lower Canada? A. The Constitutional Act, B. The Quebec Act, C. The Canada Act, D. The Dominion Act. Correct answer is A. The Constitutional Act. Question number 39. What battle secured the Canadians' reputation for valor as the shock troops of British Empire? A. Battle of Paardeberg, B. Battle of Vimy Ridge, C. Battle of Leeuwenhoek, D. Battle of Amiens. Correct answer is B. Battle of Vimy Ridge. Question number 40. What beach did Canadians storm and capture during D-Day invasion? A. Utah, B. Omaha, C. Juno, D. Sword. Correct answer is C. Juno.